everyone! Today you're gonna learn about numbers. In the last video, I talked about the difference between Korean system and Chinese system. If you haven't watched the video, please click here to watch the video first. In this video, you're gonna see two people having dialogue talking about what time the meeting starts and ends. Let's get started. 회의 몇 시에 시작해요? 10분 후에요. 몇 시에 끝나요? 2시 30분이요. Now let's find out what they were saying. 회의 is meeting. In this phrase is subject noun. 몇 시, what time. 시 is counting unit for hour. 몇 is actually how much or how many. Counting the time. Whatever it follows after. 에 is time particle. 시작해요 is the verb from 시작하다 as a dictionary verb conjugated to 시작해요 means to start. So this translates to at what time does the meeting start? 10 is 10 in Chinese number. 분 is minute. In the previous video, I mentioned hour is used with Korean number system. Minute is used with Chinese number system. That's why it is 10분 instead of 10분. Who is after? In English, it could be same as in. 에 is time particle again. 요 is just verb ending to be polite. 요 is used after previous syllable that ends with a vowel. So this phrase translates to in 10 minutes. So next page. 몇 시, what time. 에 is time particle. 끝나요 is 끝나다 verb as a dictionary form for to end. Or it could be to finish. So this translates to at what time does the meeting end? In this phrase, as you notice, the meeting as a subject noun has been omitted. 2시 30분이요. 2 is number 2 in Korean number system, which actually came from 둘, but it's used with hour counting unit, so R as the last consonant has been dropped. So you say 2시 instead of 둘시. 30 is 30 in Chinese number system. 분 is minutes. 2시 30분. It's the combination of Korean number system and Chinese number system. 이요 is polite verb ending. 이요 is used after a syllable that ends with a consonant. So this translates to simply to 30. In Korean, to speak 30 minutes, you could also say 2시 반이요 in this case. Let's hear the dialogue one more time. Please repeat after me. 회의 몇 시에 시작해요? 10분 후에요. 몇 시에 끝나요? 2시 30분이요. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and subscribe the channel. If you have any thoughts and comments,